back with me.
Hey guys, I buy Lomo card again, but I got duplicate. Yeah, I got duplicate. Just look at. I know it's the box is not the same, but look at that. That's the same. Oh, China, they are same. Even this, yes, bro. I hate duplicate. So we return it maybe tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow it will be returned. So we're gonna pack something. Okay. It's only small. Small. I put something in here that's a mystery, but I make it thick. It's previous, but I make it thick. It's mystery for now. Here, this 60. See, look. Tanan, diba? Ito pa. Ito eh. Kaya pinabalik ko. 1, 2, 3. Ang in-order niya pala ay 1? Joke. It's 30. 1, 2. 31 na siya, pero let me give her a 10 plus for a freebies. 31. Ay, bigay ko na nga kasi lahat. Bibigay ko na sa kanya lahat. Kasi, ngayon lang ako. Guys, it's just a fake order ha. Huwag kayo maniwala na bibigay ko. Okay? Fake order lang man siya. Kasi, hindi ko pinapayawan ni mama mag-order. Pero, pwede ako mag-order kasi malapit lang kung nasa school, okay lang. I-order ko yun. Duplicate. Kung hindi to binalik, bebenta ko siya sa mga kaklase ko. And give her to her mom. Him this. She's gonna give. Bibigyan niya siya sa cash. Yeah! Bibigyan ko siya ng extra pa. Para maging 68. 68. Ay, yes, 68. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8.
Malala na naman yung ama mo.
Mama. Pupost ko to, ma.
Post kita.
Edi wow. Okay, now. 3 minutes. I hate. Bro. It's taking for a while. Patong kasi. Yan, ko na. Hit ko na ng plastic. Kasi 68 for my freebies. Okay, guys, remember. This is just only fake order. Hindi siya pwedeng pamigay. Kasi kung malayo. Bawal. Mahal na pala labo. This is from the Beanie. Beanie. This is from the Beanie. here are they. Okay. Again guys, this is for my content. Parang focus siya.
Ilan for trading nyo?
Sa 31.
Ha?
Sa 31 po.
31 lang.
31. March 31 po.
31? March Aganda no? Ano, graduation mo?
Kahit sino mo ako. Tapos wala na naman akong alcohol. That's all. Thank you.